Hey, and welcome to this week's Thursday Thoughts. The theme this week is all about taking a media fast. What on earth does that mean? Well, it's really quite simple. Nowadays, there's so much negativity out there in the world. It really can bog you down, and in fact can cause a lot of anxiety in many different types of people. So it's so important to be able to really cut off those things that are negatively influencing you, especially as a business owner. It's very detrimental if you are watching the news nonstop to be consuming that type of information that can negatively affect your mindset and unravel you from your vision and mission of whatever your purpose is to growing this business. So my top tip for this week, take a media fast. Cut yourself off from all forms of media. Honestly, if it's really that important, one of your friends will tell you, or it will pop up in your social media. And that's it from me, guys. Until next week.